My name is Jake and I'm from Aurora Middle School, and today I'll be teaching you hands-on equations. In this model, a blue pawn equals x, a white pawn equals the opposite of x, a red cube is a whole number that's a constant, and a green cube is a negative, which is the same as the red, just their opposites. These two make a pair of 0. Our first problem is 4x plus 3 equals 2x plus 7. So first, I want to get rid of these two x's over here by adding 2 white pawns to both of the sides. Then as a legal move, I can take away pairs of 0 with 2 hands on this side, and on this side, I can take away 2. Now I want to get rid of this 3 so I can isolate the x's together. So I'm going to add negative 3 to both sides. And then these are a pair of 0 since negative 3 plus 3 equals 0. And then 7 plus negative 3 equals positive 4. So then you have 2x equals 4, which means 1x would equal 2. Our next problem is the opposite of 3x plus 2 equals negative 10 plus x. So first, I'm gonna get rid of this x by adding the opposite to both, by adding 2 white pawns to both sides, or 1 white pawn to both sides. Then as a legal move, I can take away this pair of 0, and then I'm left with the opposite of 4x plus 2 equals negative 10. Next, I'm gonna get rid of this 2 by adding negative 2 to both sides. 2 on this side and 2 over here. These two are a pair of 0 because negative 2 plus 2 equals 0, so they are a pair of 0. Negative 10 plus negative 2 equals 12, which I have right here then, which now I have the opposite of 4x equals negative 12. So now I'm going to divide by 4 on each side and negative 4 on each side, and then I'll have the opposite of x equals negative 3, which means x equals 3. Our last problem is the opposite of 3x plus 5 plus x equals 2x plus negative 3. So I have that set up, and first I'm going to use a legal move of taking away a pair of 0 from the same side. These two would make a pair of 0, so I can take those away. Next, I want to get rid of these 2 white pawns by adding 2 blue pawns to each side. Then I can take these away as pairs of 0, so I can take away 1 pair of 0 and the second pair of 0. Now I'm left with 5 equals 4x plus negative 3. Then I'm going to add positive 3 to both sides. And once I add positive 3 to both sides, this would equal a pair of 0, since 3 plus negative 3 would equal 0. Then if I add 3 to this side, that would equal 8. So now I have 8 equals 4x. Now I'm going to divide by 4 on each side, and once I divide by 4, I would get x, and on this side, I would get 2. Now I have 2 equals x. Thanks for watching.